How to improve flexibility. Today we're going to talk about something that is essential for every fitness enthusiast out there: flexibility. Whether you're an athlete, a gym goer, or someone who's just looking to stay active and healthy, learning how to improve your flexibility is a must. In this video, I'm going to teach you why flexibility is important, the types of stretches, how to stretch safely, when to stretch, and provide you with a few simple tips and tricks to help you increase your range of motion. Before we get into today's video, here's a product you may like: Alpilin. Introducing the powerful weight loss supplement that can help you shed those extra pounds faster than ever before. The product is formulated with natural ingredients that work together to increase your body's core temperature, which can help boost your metabolism and promote fat burning. With regular use, you'll see noticeable results and feel more confident in your body. Plus, the supplement is designed to support your overall health and wellness. Don't wait any longer to start your weight loss journey. Try the supplement today and see the difference for yourself. With the product by your side, your weight loss goals are within reach. If you are interested in Alpilin, click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to ensure you don't miss out on our latest videos. Introduction. Flexibility is a crucial component of fitness that is often overlooked. It is the range of motion that a joint can move through, and it plays a vital role in preventing injuries, reducing muscle soreness, and improving overall athletic performance. Whether you're lifting weights, doing cardio, or engaging in any other physical activity, having good flexibility is essential. Why flexibility is important? Flexibility is essential for maintaining good posture, balance, and stability. When you're flexible, your body can move more efficiently, which means you can perform better in any physical activity. Flexibility also helps to prevent injuries by allowing your joints to move freely and reducing the risk of muscle strain. Types of stretches. There are two main types of stretches that you can do to improve your flexibility: static and dynamic stretches. Static stretches involve holding a stretch for a period, while dynamic stretches involve moving your body through a range of motion. Static stretches are the most common type of stretch and are used to improve overall flexibility. They are done by holding a position for a period, usually 15 to 30 seconds, and repeating the stretch a few times. Examples of static stretches include the seated forward fold, the butterfly stretch, and the quad stretch. Dynamic stretches, on the other hand, are used to improve flexibility while warming up for workout. These stretches involve moving your body through a range of motion, such as leg swings, arm circles, or walking lunges. How to stretch safely. Stretching can be dangerous if not done correctly, which is why it's important to know how to stretch safely. Before you start stretching, always warm up your muscles first. This will help prevent injury. When stretching, avoid bouncing or jerking movements, and never force yourself into a stretch. Instead, hold the stretch for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat it a few times. If you feel any pain or discomfort, stop immediately. When to stretch. The best time to stretch is after a workout, when your muscles are warm and pliable. Stretching after a workout can help to reduce muscle soreness, increase flexibility, and improve your overall recovery. Stretching before a workout can actually do more harm than good, as it can lead to injury. So it's best to save your stretches for after your workout. Tips and tricks to improve flexibility. Here are a few simple tips and tricks to help you increase your flexibility. Incorporate yoga into your workout routine. Yoga is a great way to improve your flexibility while also reducing stress and improving your overall health. Use a foam roller. Foam rolling can help to release tension and tightness in your muscles, allowing you to move more freely and improving your flexibility. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing can help to relax your muscles, making it easier to stretch and improve your flexibility. Conclusion. So there you have it, guys. A few simple steps to help you improve your flexibility. Remember, flexibility is an essential component of fitness that should never be ignored. By incorporating a few simple stretches and exercises into your workout routine, you can improve your range of motion, reduce muscle soreness, and improve your overall athletic performance. Whether you're an athlete or someone who's just looking to stay healthy and active, flexibility is crucial for your overall fitness. So, start incorporating these stretches and exercises into your workout routine and watch your flexibility improve over time. That's it from us today, guys. We hope you enjoyed and hope to catch you in the next one. Bye for now.